try to get the boys to do this too, so we can all sit in the emergency room together. All right. Ooh. Yeah, the trail continues over here. This bike definitely doesn't have any fenders on it. Hey, it keeps going this way. I'm not doing full blast on this trail yet, guys. This is the first time I've ever ridden a trail on this bike, which has 2 batteries on it now and keeps dropping bars for some reason. That should not be. Wow, this thing just eats the terrain. I still need to fix the headset, but wow, this bike does a lot better than the other one. Now we got to jump here. Ooh, ooh. Yeah, it's a little hard to do with the headset being screwed up, but still very awesome. Very, very. Go around, let this guy pass. Thank you. Okay. Now I have my battery bars back. I know I have the battery. Ooh, big jump. This is wonderful. This is heaven for me back here. Now I'm down a battery bar again. Oh, wow. Jumps. But for me, it's more like whoops. Because I can't really jump all this. Whoa. On an 80-something pound e-bike. Ooh, wow. This is awesome. This is wonderful. We're gonna have to hit this much harder. Definitely. I'm gonna click it off for a second, guys.
Go for gold.
Here we go. Ooh. Ooh, we're gonna make it. Yeah, buddy. Woo! This is some fun stuff right here, guys. This is what I live for. Oh my goodness. And it just keeps going forever, but I'm down a battery bar for some reason, which is weird because I have 2 batteries on this thing now. And I should not be down a battery bar at all, and I'm sure I hooked the battery up, right? So I'm gonna go over here for a second. What do we have? It just keeps going. It's all good. This is heaven. We're gonna come back for sure. I got people waiting on me now, so I gotta go back the other way. I gotta figure out how to get both of these working. See this here? It's hooked up. I did it the only way that it could have been done, and for some reason I'm showing down a battery bar when I should not be. But this is the first time doing trails on the Cheetah. And let me tell you, this thing is incredible. Oh, Christian's going for it. He did it. He did it. Yes. Nice. Oh, yeah, Chris is coming too. Hell yeah. That was fun, right?
Yeah. Dude, I almost ate shit back there, bro.
Yeah, you gotta be careful on these things, but it's so much fun. God, I'm loving this. And they just go on forever.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, you did it.
Holy shit.
Fun though, right?
Yeah, but it's fucking insane.
Yeah, but that's part of the fun. Rod, yeah. Yeah,
Dude,
buddy.
that was fucking insane. Now I got a little scared. sketchy on that one too.
I like
especially the 2 uphills.
Yeah.
I was worried I wasn't going fast enough to make that last one.
That was nice.
Hey, you guys don't mind appearing in this video, do you? Because I'm rolling right now.
No, go ahead.
Okay, cool. So,
Don't do these hills without your helmet. We broke the law again.
yeah.
Again, we broke the law.
If I'd known
You know how
we
we
were gonna
do
this,
it.
I would have been wearing my helmet.
Yeah,
a lot of fun,
I
you
should have
guys.
brought one too.
No.
It's so much
Wear
fun.
a helmet.
Yeah.
Remember, I got one for you, so you got to. Next time when we're gonna do this, I'm wearing my helmet.
We'll roll
That
down.
was fun, man.
Roll down right here. And we'll hang it right there.
Yeah, get back on. All right.
I'll meet you guys around.
Huh?
I'll meet you guys around. Or where are you
Go
going?
that way?
Yeah. Where are you guys going?
We'll meet you back going that way.
Okay.
You know, back where we came in, the trailhead.
Yeah. I'll follow you this way for a minute though. Yeah, this bike is perfect for this though, guys. The Cheetah is in its element right now. Yeah, Christian's going for it. Oh, he made it. Am I gonna make it? Yeah. Oh yeah, this looks like fun here. It's like a whoop section. All right, I'll see you guys around the other side. Okay, so I guess we're gonna blast it all the way back. And we're just barely through these trails. They go on for miles all around here. And this is just incredible. We're right beside Wetlands Park. Or whatever it is, the wetlands over there. All right, guys, we're getting ready to go again. My crew's rolling out on the street. I was waiting for this guy up here on the hill on the mountain bike to go. He's chilling, so we're going. Make it up. Yes, sir. Woo. That was a steeper hill than I'm sure it looked in the GoPro. Wow, my legs are tired. Holy crap. Even without pedaling, it's a workout. Okay. Just the way we came? I don't know. That's the way we're going. I need to get back into shape because that was basically, I wasn't even jumping any of that stuff. It's just kind of like a pump track. And I'm worn out. But man, this is fun. And you don't have to go at full speed, obviously, you know, like I'm doing now. You can just kind of chill like this. Nice and easy, which is still fun. But it's also really fun to go blasting through here as fast as you can. And we're almost out of trail, so let's go. This bike is wonderful. The Cheetah is perfect for this. Nobody crossing on the trail, good. Hopping over, go back over on this side, then over the trail and meet the boys. Ooh, right over there. Okay guys, it would seem that I'm not quite done doing idiotic things yet today. You'll see. I don't know now, it looks way higher up than it did from over there. Ooh, on your left. Ooh, ah. All right, Christian's gonna try it, or at least he's coming up here. Everybody's coming up, yeah. All right, this is gonna be fun. Yeah. This is way sketchier than it looks from down below. So let's do it.
Wait till we go down this.
Yeah, let's go. It's nice. It's not even that steep over there.
All right, well, I'm watching you, bro.
All right. I'll be the guinea pig. I'm not wearing a helmet, guys. I should just wear a helmet when I come out and do this. Knowing that we're going to be doing dumb stuff on bikes and a bunch of, you know, goofballs daring each other to do stuff. Yeah. So this is kind of rocky over here. This bike is so good though. The Cheetah, it doesn't mind this at all. Fun. Good times. Oh, this is a huge hill. Okay, why do I say I'm gonna do stupid stuff like this, guys? Why do you guys let me do stupid stuff like this? Oh my God. Oh my God. This isn't the way to go. There's a different way over here. Oh, I see the hill. We got to get down there this way. I see how to get down, and this is going to be crazy good fun, guys. Ooh, is this the way? I think so. Let's get over here. Hope the trail's not too rocky going down. It looked like there was a path going up. Okay, it's super rocky that way and steep too. We need to go over to the middle here. This is still, it's like I'm 100 feet or more below the bottom of this, whatever it is, you know, drainage, something or other. Let's go over. This is a better way to get down. Right here, looks like. Hey, right here, guys, it's not bad at all. So this is probably actually the fastest way out of here at this point.
Oh yeah, this isn't bad.
It's too gnarly from up there, but we should be able to do it from here. No problem. It's a little rocky, but just be, you know, take it easy going down. Am I still on? There he goes. Rod's going for it. It's like, yeah, whatever. Let's go. Ooh. So it's a little rocky. Just be careful getting down. This isn't bad. We could have gone down a steeper hill probably. These rocks are a little sketchy, but it's all good. Ooh, fun. Good. Fun. Where do we go from here? This way? I guess. Looks like the way Rod went. Ah! That was nothing. Look at this. Big hole. Whoa! Big jump there. I didn't see coming. This is awesome. Okay. Wait for me, guys. I'll be right back. Let's see if we can charge this hill. Probably not. Whoa. Oh. It's a little too rocky. It's a little too rocky. We're gonna make it? No. Nah. Not gonna make that one for sure. Ah. Oh well, it's worth a try. Okay, why am I down to only 2 battery bars when I have 2 batteries? Doesn't make sense. I'm sure I hooked it up right. I don't know. Anyway, I guess that's gonna be about it for the dumbassness today. I hope everybody enjoyed it. Subscribe if you haven't already. Make sure you have your notifications on. Hit that like button, it goes a long way. We're gonna have a lot more fun on this channel as the weather gets better, so do come with us, won't you? Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed this little stupid fun that we had, and sure look forward to seeing you again next time.